this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. So just here for a super quick video, just to do the drawing from my giveaway. The giveaway was for the junk journal kindly donated by Laura, and also the 7 days series of what was working with what was on my desk series. That was a bit of a mouthful. So I've pulled up obviously the video, and I'm just going to now select the URL, and I've already got a tab here with the YouTube comment picker, so we can just go to that and then we'll go down there, and then we just enter our video URL. Oops, has that entered that correctly? Yeah, it has. Okay, and we do get YouTube comments. It's just going through, so it's got 427 comments, and then we can do the pick winner. So the first prize, we've got three drawings. So the first prize was from this very little junk journal that we did with the 7 days working with what's on your desk. I wonder if I can zoom out here. Hold on. There we go. Hopefully that's a bit better. So the first drawing is for this journal here. So I will click start. Okay, it's just getting all the, comments. Okay, the winner is Ephemera, aka Tammy. That's the winner of this journal. So Tammy or Ephemera, if you would like to email me at my Etsy shop with your name and address, I can get that in the post to you. The second prize is all of the other things that we made during the 7 days working with what's on my desk. So this whole bundle of stuff here. So I'm just going to click here. It says pick another winner. So we just do pick another winner, and then we click start. Okay, so the winner here is Michelle Norton. So well done, Michelle. Congratulations to you. So this lot is yours. If again you could just email me at my Etsy shop with your name and address, then I can pop this in the post to you. So that's that one. And then the winner of Laura's gorgeous journal that Laura gifted, so that's this journal here. If I do pick another winner and click start yet again, and it's just going through. Okay, and the winner here is, now I don't know how to pronounce that last name, I'm afraid, Faye Ruffo or Rufo. Faye, so again, this will be winging its way to you. If you could just email me again at my Etsy shop with your name and your postal address, then I can get this in the post to you. A quick note on that, if I just move this out the way. Now, I have not been to the post office at all since, basically since I did the giveaway video. I haven't even posted Laura's, parcel, I'm afraid, Laura, so sorry about that. Basically, I haven't really obviously been out much, and when I have been out, I've literally done my strict just a bike ride, just exercise. I haven't been in shops or anything like that. And alongside that, obviously our post office, our local post office, I think, going from kind of the week before the lockdown, was kind of intermittently open and not open due to obviously, staff who are maybe kind of self-isolating and things like that. So if you let me have your names and your postal addresses, I will endeavour to post these at some point hopefully this week. However, I am really doing all I can to just avoid going into shops and things like that. So I will be relying on my husband to probably go in there and post it for me. He also is obviously trying to avoid going in shops. So it will be kind of very much a play it by ear, I'm afraid. So I just want to put that out there now. I don't know when I will get to post these things. I will pack them up as soon as you give me your name and address, and then I will try and do everything in one hit. I've also got a couple of things I might list in my shop. So again, I will try and tie everything into like one trip to the post office, and, you know, we'll kind of see from there. I will try and keep you informed, you know, if I obviously don't get them out this week, because, you know, maybe like on our one trip to the post office, or my husband's one trip to the post office, maybe they are closed. I will obviously let you know that. But even if kind of we don't end up being able to post them out for a little while, I will have packed them up and they will be there ready to post as soon as things kind of resume a little bit more to normal. So, yeah. So rest assured you will get them, but it obviously is going to just be dependent upon us going out, us going into the post office then being open, and things like that. So, you know, please bear with me for that. So congratulations to those 3 people, and yeah, so please stay safe, everybody, and thank you very much for entering. I have enjoyed reading through the comments. I know that I haven't obviously commented back to people, but I mean, obviously I'm always behind with comments, and there were a lot of comments, but I've enjoyed reading through the different styles that people enjoy and things like that. So thank you very much for watching. Please stay safe, everyone, and have a nice weekend. Thanks then. Bye.